Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Explorer. Stock number is A6756. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and front parking sensors. Taking a look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with hand-cooked tires. Taking a look inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family to ride comfortably. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust as well as rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look inside of the hatch, there's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.